अब बात यूपी इलेक्शन की। उत्तर प्रदेश में पहले मरहले के तहत कल वोट डाले जाएंगे। 11 अजला की 58 सीटों के लिए पोलिंग होगी। पोलिंग पार्टियां आज पोलिंग मराकज के लिए रवाना होंगी। मेरठ, गाजियाबाद, हापुड़, बागपत, बुलंदशहर, शामली, मुजफ्फरनगर, अलीगढ़, मथुरा, गौतम बुद्ध नगर और आगरा के तकरीबन 2 करोड़ 27 लाख वोटर 623 उम्मीदवारों की किस्मत का फैसला करेंगे। पहले मरहले में योगी हुकूमत के 8 वज़रा की किस्मत दांव पर लगी है।
Proper COVID protocol. All polling officials and the police personnel are fully vaccinated. Those who will be on the duty have been declared as frontline workers and they are fully vaccinated. And those which have been left with the second dose will also be necessarily covered in the next 10 days. On the polling booths, there should be absolutely a COVID arrangement. The thermal scanner, the mask, the sanitizers, they will be available. And the gloves, so that they can put the EVM and they should not be touched by anybody else. So those arrangements have been fully made, and so that there should be proper arrangement of the COVID. And we have also mentioned that all DOs will make adequate measures for biomedical waste collection and safe disposal shall be ensured at all polling stations as per the statutory requirement. And Commission has directed all DOs to ensure COVID protocols at all the polling stations. So we want to give a message that our voter is safe and our protocol is totally maintained at the polling station, so that the vote and the voter both should be safe.
उत्तर प्रदेश